Hi guys, hope everyone is doing fine. So in my last vlog I have show you guys that I have changed the chain sprocket and also my clutch pad has been changed. So basically after changing the chain sprocket, what I was facing, like when I'm uh, releasing the clutch, there was a cut noise, like there was a missing, like something is broken or something like that. The noise was that. So what I have done, I have just get an inspection from my mechanic, and I've been informed that I need to change the coupling rubber. Okay, so whoever is facing this problem, basically what happened when you change the clutch plate after a long time, and you putting the new clutch plate, so basically the rubbers, this gets wear and tear, so you need to change the coupling rubbers, so in order to get the smooth riding. So this is the coupling rubber which I am changing, and this is the Steelbird company, which is a premium company, as I have been informed. So let me know guys if you have any other suggestions for better coupling rubbers, so do let me know. So this rubber cost me 150 rupees, something like that. Yeah, 142, discounted price 130 something. So this is I'm going to replace from the one which I have. Basically it's been 6 years, and from 6 years I have already changed it once. So last one I replaced maybe 2 years back, something like that. So yeah, well, that is very simple. You just need to open the tire, and it plays somewhere between the tire and the chain sprocket. So we're just opening the tire right now, and we will just put it inside. Okay, so tire has come out, so we'll just put the coupling rubber. So yes, this is the rubber we are going to install, and I will show you. Does it look? That's how it is.
Hey, बाहर का लाइट लगा.
And this is the old one. So there is no much visible difference. You can't actually see any difference. But thing is that noise, So I hope you can understand. This part got damaged, and this is a sign of damage, Okay, so now the new rubber has been fixed. That's about it guys. So if you ever face any problem like the noise, thug sound, and after changing the clutch, you should change this rubber as well. Okay, thank you for watching, and do support me, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you.